So I am at home right now and no one is here. The car is gone. What was the point of me getting a license when I'm literally stuck here? It's freezing. I don't know how to turn on the heating. That's probably like a more of a bad thing for me. The fact that I don't know how to turn on the heating. I'm gonna probably have to like light a fire for heat. Very cave woman needing to light a fire to warm herself. But yeah, everyone's gone and I'm like here by myself. I am very tempted to text my cousin and be like, what time you finish work? Come get me and we'll go for a coffee. But I don't know what time she finishes. She's a teacher. So I might just have to suffer out here because Owen is in work, my sister's gone to work, my parents are gone to visit Jordan in Belgium, and I'm just here freezing. So I'm after turning on the oven because I'm gonna make cookies, because at least that'll bring some warmth into the kitchen. And then I also have, I'm after putting the washing on like the drying rack because there's a dehumidifier. So I'm like, oh yeah, that will heat up the house a bit. So I'm just gonna have some noodles and just try being an adult in this house by myself. A single mom who works 2 jobs, who loves her kids and never stops. I'm a survivor. I made myself an iced coffee yesterday and it was so disgusting. And normally my iced coffees are nice, so. I'm actually a bit fuming because I've already watched the new Kardashians. And I love watching Kardashians on noodles. So I may go see if there's a Cody Co video for me to binge. But I'm eating because I can't just sit and eat. That would be so boring.
But I have seen so many of my old faves from Disney and Nickelodeon putting up online.
I love a good video essay.
Podcasts. And guess what? I am absolutely here for it. For a few months, I've been interested in researching the millennial generation and why we've been hated for so long. One aspect of this is millennial culture.
I'm beginning to think I was just hungry and I wasn't lonely, because now I feel fine. And I'm gonna make some cookies. Obviously, I'm not gonna do these from scratch. This is from the brand. Cookie dough, homemade, made easy, cut, bake, enjoy. Yeah, I love these. I got these a good bit and I actually got them in a PR box a while ago and they're so yummy. So I'm gonna go make those now and then I can have them for my tea break later. Owen's after ringing me, he's after leaving work early so we can go for a coffee. And I'm after stuffing my face with like cookies and like a cup of tea, so I may pull it together for our coffee. But yeah! He's so good. I can't believe he left so that I wasn't all alone. I got my smoothie.
Go, Rachel.
Oh my god, I can hear a purr from here. Oh, pistachios behind you. Little pistache. Wee.
Rachel, because
Officially finished work for this week. And I'm now going to do a new segment called Adopt This Kitten. She is a very loving kitten. She loves cuddles. She sometimes smells a bit stinky, so we had to give her a bath yesterday. But she is so good. Okay, thumbnail. Okay, wait, one more. Just let me get one picture. God, she hates me. No, she doesn't. She actually loves me. What are you doing?
Where's my call? I know.
What?
Are you on a call?
No, I'm vlogging. Thumbnail. Okay, so this is kitten number 2. She loves her sister so much, and I think she's a bit calmer than Hazelnut. Look how cute she is. We've tried introducing the kittens to our cat, and Peanut doesn't like them, so.
Yes.
What's Owen doing? Do you like going? No, I don't.
She does like me.
Yeah, she does like going. Cat time, cat time.
She got off before you came over, got her.
Cat time.
Check it out, video.
Yeah, little jabs. Hey!
I've got a little willy.
Oh, stop! Her tail in between her legs. I look so. Oh, stop!
Come on, guys, pump it up. Yeah.
Biggest enemy right there. Little Rachu. Just finished a circuit class. I'm making sure I can wave bye to the girls. Yeah, I just finished circuit class in high. I wasn't gonna go, and then I had to drop route to the train, and I was like, I'll be so ticked with myself if I don't go to the circuit class when I'm already awake. So I'm gonna go now and go to the chemist and order my prescription because I'm all out, which is very irresponsible of me. I honestly don't think I've ever felt so much like an adult as I do right now, because dropped my sister to the train, went, ordered my prescription, drove to get the prescription, and I probably sound so like silly because I'm literally 26, but driving has given me so much independence where I don't feel like a child. So I love that for me. Now I just need to like live in my own apartment with my mom though, because I actually love having my mom around and my dad and my siblings, so maybe I should just stay at home. But yeah, prescriptions are so expensive. I got like a monthly one and it was €67, which is a bit ridiculous, but it's fine. I needed it and it keeps me ticking along. So I'm gonna go home now and get a shower and get ready because we're actually going to the Leinster and Munster match today, which is exciting. Abigail has a Munster jersey, so I might take that just to be controversial, because obviously I'm from Leinster and I'm assuming Owen and his family will be supporting Leinster, so that is the plan for the rest of the morning.
Look at it, I was not going to get us roll, I was going to know we'd be healthy with made some.
Do you want to come over and see what I have for you?
Yeah, please. Oh god, thank you so much, I'm so hungry.
And I have hash browns on as well.
Oh my god, okay, great. I was like, so nice warm here. It's so cold outside.
Yeah, it's like 2 degrees. How yummy.
Thank you so much for that.
There was a visible guarded presence in Dublin city centre last night.
Do your hash browns on?
Haha.
Yeah, it's probably too hot. They just came out.
Oh, look at this on video.
Okay, so I'm ready. We're gonna go in there for a coffee and then we're gonna go for the match later. So I'm wearing multiple layers. I have leggings on underneath my jeans and I have like my body warmer top from Gymshark. I just feel very cozy, and then I'm just wearing like runners and I have a hat and gloves packed and I have my scarf, so I'm feeling very organized and I feel like I'm gonna be very warm as well. But yeah,
Don't video me.
go back. I want to see what it looks like. He hates me. Come on.
The video me when I get out of bed.
I'm not videoing you. It's good. You look really like it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The shot's right up your head. But
Oh great, we're just your ball. Little fox.
delicious. You're on the Guinness.
Jeez, I thought that was gonna fall. Slay. This is yummy.
think you maybe you're at the old Lansdowne, but I don't think you're at the Viva.
I do remember going before years ago.